again, Mamasita Nicoll. Of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes! So today, I'm going to Denver, Colorado. And I hope you guys to see you there. And God bless! So guys, I'm here already in the car. And I'm going to buy some Chick-fil-A. If you guys know that, it's really good. So guys, this is my food, the Chick-fil-A. It's really good.
Chicken nuggets.
So guys, we are here already in the hotel. So i-share ko sa inyo. This is the front desk. You can eat some breakfast here if you want to. Free breakfast in the morning. And this is the fire pit. Also, if you're cold, you can sit in there. They have really nice things in here. They have some bar also if you want to drink. And computer. If you want to use something, just free. Free everything. So guys, I'm here already in the hotel. So, i-tour ko kayo dito. Yes! So guys, ito yung couch nila. At saka may frame din sila sa taas. 'Di ba? Ang cute. So, naka-stay pala tayo sa Courtyard Marriott Hotel. So, yan, ang couch natin. At saka ito na naman yung bed natin. So, I have a king size bed. Sa video, it's not really big. But in the personal, it's really big, guys. At ito naman yung TV nila. At saka yan, may mga coffee din sila dito, guys. Like, you know, if you want some coffee, you can make your own. You can get something also in downstairs. And meron din silang mga lampshade dito. Ganon. And this is the sink, guys. You know already what is sink. Mga hugasan sa mga mukha niyo. Pag mumukha ba. Ganun. And this is the balcony view, guys. Kung makikita niyo, super linis niya. And super peaceful. Yes! So guys, that's all my video for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video.